Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Today's topic is very useful: how to talk to a doctor in English.
Yes, sometimes we feel sick or we need to visit a doctor. But when we go to the clinic, we might think, oh no, how do I speak English?
Don't worry. In this lesson, we'll show you exactly what to say.
We'll teach you easy and real English conversations for visiting a doctor, from making an appointment to describing your symptoms.
And of course, we'll also learn lots of new vocabulary and practice together.
So let's start our English journey to the doctor's office.
Visiting the doctor. Let's start with a simple conversation. Imagine Paul is sick and goes to see a doctor.
Pretending to cough. Cough, cough. Hello, doctor. I don't feel well today.
As doctor, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For 3 days. I also feel a little feverish.
Okay. Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
It looks like you have a cold. Don't worry, it's not serious.
Thank you, doctor.
I'll give you some medicine. Take 1 pill in the morning and 1 in the evening. Drink lots of water and get rest.
I will. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Great. Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases from that conversation.
Repeat after us to practice your pronunciation. Ready? 1. Doctor. A person who helps sick people. I need to see a doctor. The doctor gave me medicine. She is a kind doctor. Second patient. The person who visits the doctor. The patient is waiting in the room. I'm a patient at this clinic. Third clinic. A small medical center or doctor's office. I went to the clinic this morning. The clinic opens at 9 a.m. Fourth symptom, a sign of being sick. My symptoms are fever and cough. What are your symptoms? 5. Headache. Pain in your head. I have a bad headache today. My headache started last night. 6. Sore throat. Pain in your throat. I can't speak well because of a sore throat. Drink warm tea for your sore throat. 7. Fever. When your body is too hot. I have a fever and feel weak. The doctor checked my fever. 8. Cough. The sound from your throat when you are sick. I can't stop coughing. My cough is getting better. 9. Medicine. Something you take to feel better. The doctor gave me some medicine. Take your medicine after meals. 10. Prescription. A paper that tells you what medicine to take. The doctor wrote a prescription. I need to take this prescription to the pharmacy. 11. Pharmacy, the place where you buy medicine. I'm going to the pharmacy. The pharmacy is next to the clinic. 12th appointment, a time to meet someone. I have a doctor's appointment at 10 a.m. Please make an appointment first. 13th checkup, a regular health examination. I go for a checkup once a year. The checkup was quick and easy. 14. Allergy. When your body reacts badly to something. I'm allergic to peanuts. Do you have any allergies? 15. Get well soon. A kind phrase to say to a sick person. I hope you get well soon. Send your friend a message. Get well soon. Now let's learn how to make an appointment with a doctor.
Paul, as patient. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Emily, as receptionist. Sure. What seems to be the problem?
I have a bad cough and a headache.
Okay. The doctor is available tomorrow at 10 a.m. Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please come 10 minutes early. When you call or go to the clinic, you can say, I'd like to make an appointment. I'm not feeling well. Is the doctor available today?
And when you arrive, you can say, I have an appointment at 10 a.m. Can I see the doctor now? I'm here to see Dr. Smith.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Lee at 9:30.
Okay, please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Now let's learn how to describe pain at the doctor's office.
Paul, as doctor. So, Emily, where does it hurt?
Emily, as patient. My stomach hurts. I think I ate too much.
How bad is the pain? Is it light or strong?
It's strong, especially after eating.
Okay, I'll give you some medicine. Please take it after meals.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon. You can say, my head hurts. My back hurts. My stomach hurts. I feel tired. I feel dizzy.
These are very common phrases when you visit a doctor. Emily, as pharmacist. Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a prescription from the doctor.
Okay, here's your medicine. Take 1 tablet in the morning and 1 at night.
Should I take it before or after meals?
After meals, please, and drink lots of water.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Let's review some useful phrases to describe how you feel.
Repeat after us. I don't feel well. I have a fever. I have a cough. My throat hurts. My stomach hurts. And I feel dizzy. I feel tired. I need to see a doctor. Can I make an appointment?
Excellent. Now, let's practice questions you might hear from a doctor.
Repeat after us again. What seems to be the problem? How long have you felt this way? Do you have a cough or fever? Do you have any allergies or are you taking any medicine?
Great job. Now you sound more confident.
Okay, let's practice together. We'll ask and you answer out loud.
Ready?
Question 1. How do you feel today? Pause.
Question 2. Do you have any allergies? Pause.
Question 3. How long have you been sick? Pause.
Question 4. Where does it hurt? Pause.
Good job. Keep practicing these questions and answers at home.
Let's review everything we learned today.
We learned how to talk to a doctor in English. From making an appointment to describing your symptoms.
We learned new words like headache, sore throat, fever, cough, medicine, appointment, and pharmacy.
We also practiced important sentences like, I'd like to make an appointment. I don't feel well. My stomach hurts. Do you have any allergies?
And we learned how to sound polite at the doctor's office.
Yes, always say please, thank you, and get well soon.
Great work, everyone.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope you feel more confident speaking English when you visit a doctor.
Remember, practice every day, even for 5 minutes. Small practice makes big progress.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mr. English Learning, and click the bell for more easy English lessons.
Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.